All right, number 89 on page 195 reads, the height of grass. A homeowner mows the lawn every Wednesday afternoon. Sketch a rough graph of the height of the grass as a function of time over the course of a 4-week period, beginning on Sunday. All right, so this is a conceptual question. This is going to be like time, days of the week. Let's say we start on let's say day 1 corresponds to a Monday, I guess. 1, 2, so this is going to be a Wednesday, day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'd be another 7th day, so that'd be a Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be a Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because we're mowing the grass every Wednesday. And then this is going to be the height of the grass. Let's say it grows to about maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches before we cut it. So what's going to happen is it's going to be growing because I cut it last Wednesday. There's some Wednesday over here where I cut it. And it's going to kind of be growing steadily, right? Until it gets to Wednesday, and then I'm going to mow the grass. And then I'll cut it. So the height is going to drop down. Now the question I'm not really sure about how to answer is how to drop it down. I could say it drops straight down to where I cut it. Let's say I cut it down to 1 inch. Well, this isn't a function. It's a function over time because this would fail the vertical line. Well, we haven't talked about the vertical line test. The grass can't have at one instant in time, it can't have multiple numbers. So we could either say it's going to take a very sharp decline over the course of the day that I cut it, right? Maybe it takes me like an hour to cut it. So the average height of the grass is going to kind of decrease down to there really sharply. And then it's going to grow gradually over the course of a week. And then the next Wednesday is going to come along and I'm going to cut it. And then it's going to grow and I'm going to cut it. And it's going to grow and I'm going to cut it. These are not vertical lines. These are just really sharply decreasing heights. Okay? So, I don't know. Look something like that. You could also argue that maybe it should look like this. Like it's going to grow up to some point and then I'm going to cut it. Like for one blade of grass, might look something kind of like this. Like it's going to grow, one blade of grass is going to grow, and then when that blade chops off when the lawnmower chops off that blade of grass, it's going to go from this and it's going to jump down to this bottom spot here. Maybe that might be maybe a better way to draw it, I guess. I don't know what's the best way to do it. Are we talking about the average height of all the grass, or are we talking about one blade? That's going to, don't do that. And it's going to hop down to there. It's going to go up to there, and then it's going to hop down to there. Kind of like that step function that we worked with. So that could also be the height of the grass, where that's the instant that that piece of grass gets lopped off. Okay? Either way.